they're gonna judge you. You're not an expert. Don't bother, just delete it.
So we need to talk about why you feel stuck. It's definitely not because you're not talented, and it's not because you don't have something awesome to say.
It's because your nervous system perceives being visible as a threat, and no amount of strategy or hustle can override a nervous system that has pulled the emergency brake. Welcome to the new era of content creation. Welcome to the Mind-Flo method.
Most courses teach you strategies and tactics, which are really great, but they're not great when you are spiraling and you feel stuck and you're frozen in a moment.
That's why this system was built as an intervention. It works because it's triple stacked. First, we start with somatic. We use EFT tapping to physically turn off the body's alarm, sending calming signals to the brain. Second, we use custom cinematic audio to bypass the busy mind. Third, we use immersive visuals that signal safety directly to your body.
We all know when anxiety hits, you can't just stop, sit, and meditate. The mind is going too loud.
That's why this is an environment. You don't have to fight to focus. All you have to do is put your headphones on, press play, and let the track do the work for you.
You have a voice that the world is waiting, but you can't share it if you're constantly stuck in a survival loop. Hi, I'm Alana, and I created this system because I needed it. And now I'm sharing it with you.